Anything you are taught and you put it down, you will not forget it. And the one reason you like it, you not listen up. I'm the only one permitted to talk now. And the one reason why you will not forget it is because how often you make use of the word. So when you are pressed, what will you say? I can't hear you. This boy is not talking. What's your name? What's your Igbo name? Speak up. If you are pressed, I will not entertain this your movement up and down. Are you a last man or you are a police officer? Which one are you? So sit quietly. Huh? Okay. So, if you are pressed, I want to ease yourself. How best will you communicate that in Igbo language?
I want to use the toilet.
No, Swanya Nibo. Swanya Nibo. I'm on Nkembu. If you are pressed, we are talking about feelings. Feelings. Feelings, that's where we are starting from. You are going to want. That's not where we are. If you are pressed, how best will you say you are pressed? Can I hear you speak up? Again? I hope you will not forget that in a haste. So, Uncle Okezie, I am pressed. Nkpa, I feel like pooing. I feel like pooing. Who can read that? Yes, I want to actually use the toilet to poo now. Yes, speak it. Let me hear you. Nsina, give me Drop your pen, all of you. Drop your pen. If by this time you don't understand Koloniaka, then it means you have not impacted in you. Then why are you not clapping? Koloniaka. Can I hear you say that? Again? I feel like pooing. Nkpa, I am thirsty. Who can interpret that in Igbo language? I am thirsty. I know the answer. Raise up your hand. Okay.
No, I don't know the game.
No. I'm coming. Relax. There's no chorus answer. I know the answer you signify by raising up your hand. That is the best way I attend to students in the classroom. No, that is not the best way. Organized. I know the answer is signified by raising up my hand. So, onye akọwara anyị ife ọ pụtara. I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
Apiri na akpọ
Kwọlụ n'aka. Yes. You have 5 points. You have 5 points. Plus 5. Yes, I'm coming to you. I'll swear at you. Apiri na akpọ munku. Can I hear you say that? Apiri na akpọ munku. Again. Apiri na akpọ munku. Nke anọ, number 4. Nke anọ, I am hungry. I am hungry. Aka chukwu ngwazi aka nọ. That's a close answer. Minus the fact that you did it. You have 0. Kwọnụ m aka. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Can we clap for him again? Agụụ na-agụ m. Beautiful. So, ọzọ dị ka ibe ebo. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. What gives us the translation in Igbo language? I am feeling cold. Get out again. Binyoto. No,
stand up.
Binyoto. Binyoto means stand up. Guzoto. Before that side for before you answer any question, you tell us your name. You know, I'm not familiar with your name yet. So, but when you start mentioning your name before you answer question, It will make me get familiar with your name. So, can I forget? Okay, Chukwu Gozirin. Kedifebu, I am feeling cold. No Igbo. Oyi na atum. Kolo ne aka. Oyi na atum. That's good. Nke C, number 6. I am purging. I am purging. You have fed yourself, and all of a sudden, your stomach is doing. Okay. Say it in Igbo. Kedafage. Okay. I am purging. Afona Sam. Give her a round of applause. Afona Sam. That's good. That's good. Nkozia, I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. Neto. Kuku Azakano.
Urana atum.
Urana atum. Call Neta. That's good. Excellent. I'm super impressed. That's good. Urana atum. No mark for now. Urana atum. Mark doesn't come easily like that. Urana atum. Can I hear you say that? Urana atum. Good. I feel tired. I feel tired. Can Chris try? Chris. I feel tired. Look into your manual. I feel tired. That's, I'm feeling sleepy. We are looking at number 8. Look at number 8. I feel tired. Ike gorum kwalun ne aka. Correct. Kwalun Chris aka. Alright, we're going to take it together. When I read it out in English, you translate it in Igbo language. Una di njikere. Una di njikere. Anye di njikere. Una di njikere. I feel pressed. I feel pressed. I feel like pooing. I feel like pooing. I'm thirsty. Again, I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm feeling cold. Again, I'm feeling cold. I'm purging. I am purging. Afona Sam. Can I hear you say that? Good. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. I feel tired. I feel tired. Okay. Evaluation time. It is time for us to evaluate you. Can anybody stand up and give us 5 basic feelings expressions? You tell us the English and you translate it in Igbo language. We're not looking at your book. I feel pressed. I feel like pooing. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm feeling cold. I am purging. I'm feeling sleepy. I feel tired. Okay. Molana, sit down. No, after, you want to try, right? Beautiful. After him, it's you. Can I forgive? After him, okay.
I'm tired.
Ike I'm tired. 1 point. I feel like pooing. That's good. I'm hungry. I feel cold. How many now? 4. Okay. The last one.
So
I feel what? Everyone?
Sleepy.
I feel sleepy. Call on the aka. How about you go? Call on the aka. 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Let me get to my recording. Okay. What's the name? Get up and also. Chibike. 4. Okay.
I'm going next.
You? Yeah. Get up for why you fight to put you where Amarachi. Confess the camera. Yeah.
Camera. Hello. Okay.
You have to be audible, okay? You have to be audible, okay? So the camera can pick your voice. Close the book. Good. Come to the back page of that book. Oh, awesome. That's good. Otu, abo, ato, bido.
Guru, I feel tired. Mommy, I feel pressed. Oh wait. I feel tired. I feel sleepy. Okay. I'm hungry.
Beautiful. That's 4.
That's all.
Yeah.
One more. That's all.
wow. We don't
Something.
Happening in our home.
That is. That's all about that.
What's your name? Did you just give up so easily?
Yes.
Afambo Amarachi. Kedafage. 4 over 5. Okay. Kedafage. I am out of West School. Sarah, please sit. Lolana, okay? Oh yeah, next, okay.
I want to, take some time to rewrite it. I'm forgetting.
Okay, good.
Yeah, 5 seconds after they do it.
We are taking down names of those that will swim and do other things. Pusion pique. You have to be audible. So that the camera picks you. Next to see after him.
After
Some can chukungwa bido.
I'm feeling cold.
Good.
Urana too. I'm feeling sleepy. And I feel tired. I'm
Good.
Oh my God. I'm 6 months.
Good. Call on the aka, no bunny go. 4 over 5. Yes, because I had to chip in 1 or 2 words. So that's why we moved to 1 mark. Oh, you want to give it a try? Beautiful. Okay. Get out 5. Why not 5? Get out 5. Yes. Get out 5. You don't say afamfo before you now start the answers. So get out 5. Good. Ngwabido. Listen up. Good. Good. 2 over 5. I did something, but then make an attempt small. One Give a push small. You can actually do it. Yes. What kind of call me? I cannot want to go. Let's give a round of applause. Okay. Finally, Nature is ready. Please hold on. Bido, otu abo ato, bido, keda fagi? Keda fagi?
Oh! My name is what? My name is...
Keda fagi? Bido? Ma miri na akpam.
Oh yeah, ma miri na akpam.
Okay.
Ma miri na akpam. That's I feel pressed.
Good.
I feel like me.
Good.
Uru na atum.
Ura na atum.
Ura na atum. I feel sleepy.
Good.
Oyi na atum. That's
Top 3 are assisted in 2. So it is 1 over 5. It is 1 over 5. I want to transfer your own before you go.
No, I need to myself.
Please sit. No.
I need to myself.
No.
Corruption.
Okay. Chima, what do you?
I need to myself.
I get the Chima. Get out for the Chima. Get out for the project. Chima. You are going to abo, you know? Meche no, keep quiet. Let's listen to Chima. You know, start.
Everybody
He said number 1, man meaning I'm pressed.
hard on myself. He said, I'm feeling tasty. Good. What is tasty?
Tasty.
It's not that food. I'm really tasty.
That's very good of you. That's very good. Okay. Okay, girl. Please. Can I forgive? Okay. Ngabido?
Sophia.
Mommy, I feel fresh. Good. I feel tired. Yes, I'm purging. After my son. Beautiful. Let me hear her. Are you opening your book?
No.
Close it. Close it.
Oh my God.
Continue.
No, I will not take
Keep it up.
Just say something.
I'm so just
Okay, look, can you call on the account? Nobody go.
wow.
Call on the account.
Oh, this is corruption at its highest level.
Good.
No, it's called the Iron Bank criminals. I don't want to try. This is bribery.
Oh, you know, so what's the interpretation in English? All right, thank you very much. Can you call on the account?
This is bribery.
After him.
No.
It's okay, sit down. Luciana, your money go. Can I forgive?
This is zero.
Chris, get ready. Okay? That why? You have to be white. Why? You have to be white. You have to come for Nato why? Why should get ready?
Keith, I like your style.
Honestly.
We didn't show your movie. I can't do it.
Okay, Chidi.
You tease me so hard. You're saying no time. It's too hard. You're saying no time, man. Enter green.
He came from my filter at 1.
So when you die, I got you on your phone.
Sit down. Thank you very much. What about time?
I'm feeling hungry.
I'm feeling hungry. Sit down.
I'm feeling tired. Okay, now, so I am feeling cold.
Yes.
I am feeling pressed.
Beautiful. Good.
That's fine.
That's for please
Make sure no.
Yes.
After he was
I
remember. Afuna. Wait.
Make sure
Afuna true.
Afona Sam. Afona Sam. That what does it mean in English?
I am purging.
I'm purging. Afona Sam. Good. Yes. Which one?
It's 4.5 seconds. 4.5. 4.5.
Technically, that was one letter.
One letter. 4.5.
Sir, I said my own. The only reason is
He's just a single man. Excuse me, listen up. I mark WAEC and I mark IGCSE. It's just a particular mark that will make you drop from C6 to D7.
So is it that not by mistake? Because I'm sure I feel by mistake. Now
Okay, well let's go again. Everybody, let's go together. Feelings. Number 1, want to go. Mamiri na apam, I feel pressed. Usi na apam, I feel like moving. Apiri na apam, I'm thirsty. Am I the only one in this class? I'm not in a class here. Can you man nisi? Can you nisi? Bido nisi. Otu, abo, ato, bido.
Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3, start. That's cello means wait. Lolana, sit down, girl. Excuse me. Sit down. Can I faggy? Can I fag? What's your name? Okay, Olivia Lolana. Ayadi Chikere. Una di Chikere. Can you be those zero? At this point, listen up. At this point, when you hear O2, abo, ato, bido means 1, 2, 3, starts. And if you hear O2, abo, ato, bido, you still be looking at me.
2, 1, start.
Are we there? Una di Chikere. O2, abo, ato, bido.
I feel pressed. Nisi na palm, I feel like food. Apiri na
Pomunko.
I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. Oyi na tum, I'm feeling cold. Afo na sam, I'm purging. Uru na atu, I'm feeling sleepy. Iriku, I'm feeling tired.
Okay, but me chain out for me. Close your books. So, I'll say it in English. You translate it in Igbo language. Otu, abo, ato, bido. I feel pressed. I feel like pooing.
Oh, my bad.
I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm feeling cold. I'm purging. I'm feeling sleepy.
No, that's
I'm feeling sleepy. I feel tired. Okay. We go over to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Once. Still under basic communication and expression. Open to your manual. Now listen up. Get nonte. Get nonte. Unane gente. Get nonte. Get up for that. Akachu. Gente. Listen up. Just like I said initially. The basic communication and expression is the language you are going to be using in this camp. And by this time, I want to believe that when you are pressed, you will not tell me I want to ease myself. What will be the best thing you will tell me? If you understand, if you know you cannot just say that. If you know you cannot say that, just be on your body. Yes, now he's a fast learner. Actually, go no pussy. It means what? How to use the toilet. Actually, obere. I want to rest a little. Let's take this last one. Once. The first one, Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri. Okay? Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri. Say that.
Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri.
Open your nose. Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri. Achọrọ iri nri. Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri means what? So the first one, achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri means what? Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri means what? Peradventure you are eating and there's no water on your table, I want to drink water. You signify by reason. Then okay, say achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri.
So if I go to this guy, you cannot say it in Igbo. Should we just shoot?
No, you're not sure, but we try to say it in Igbo.
So what
Try, that is it. You cannot choke. However, listen up. Somebody said you should be going around with your manual. So I want to talk. Don't look at it and say. It's okay. Yes. However, when food is available, there will be water. But then, know it that you want to drink water means what? Achọrọ m imegini ịṅụ mmiri.
That's easy.
Now listen up, Neto Gente. I want to eat food.
Achọrọ m iri nri.
Beautiful. Call me aka. Achọrọ m iri nri. Chima, right?
No.
You are coming to that.
I want to use it, right?
How's that fair? No, you have said it now. Achọrọ m ịga ụlọ mposi. I want to use the toilet. Which one?
Achọrọ PS5.
Which one PS5?
Achọrọ iri nri.
Achọrọ iri nri.
Me too.
Get ntị.
I'll box you like.
Achọrọ iri nri.
Ịchọrọ iri nri. Ngwa chelo. Chelo means wait. Okay? Ọ bụ na anyị gbasaa class. When we are done with class, okay. All right, ma'am. Listen up. Okay? So, I've listened to what you've said. Achọrọ m iri nri. Agụụ na-agụ. It means I'm hungry. I want to eat. Okay? So, ọ bụ na anyị gbasaa class sign for today. When we are done for today, we'll serve you dinner. Do you understand? Good.
What time?
What time?
Yeah.
Check time.
The timetable is in there.
We served you right for lunch. You ate well. You have to say, actually, you have to be nice. You're actually here to learn and also have fun. Trust me, your dinner is on the fire.
So what time can I eat?
What time is the dinner? Open your manual. Check what the time is here.
It's 6.
It says 6.
Is it 6?
No, it says 7. But we had lunch.
Dinner 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay.
Wait,
Hold on.
Yeah, it's 7.
Hold on.
I'm not blind.
You see? Your lunch time was around 12 to 1:30. Was it when we gave you?
Okay, but by your logic, it's meant to be game time.
So you can talk actually. And you have been quiet since you came to this camp. I'm happy you're talking now. So now let's look at the lunch.
So isn't
We had lunch late.
Who can tell me we had lunch?
Around 12:40.
Now look at it now. The lunch is around 12 to 1.
Yeah, but we had lunch around
Yeah, but we have our lunch around 12:40. I checked the time because they were explaining.
Hey, now, and look at the time now. It's 12 to
But we
1:30.
finished like around 2.
So that's why you should be following. We're following the time actually. And then there were these people who came late.
Which one is evening cleanup?
I'm not cleaning up anything. What are we cleaning
No,
up?
wait.
What
What did I start? Oh, wait. What was it? Oh, I was so confused.
Okay, I was scared.
Okay, Mba.
I thought it was on the back.
Chere, Ngwa.
Yes, my climate opposite.
It's James. Don't start with questions.
It's game time.
No. All the games is already done during our cultural dance.
Bam.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Listen up. Are you agreeing with camp minus Kalafaga?
Wait.
I won't listen to you till you sit down.
I need to show you to you.
Sit down, don't worry.
We're not going to agree.
That thing was celebrated or documentary. That was what that culture was.
No. Natural.
Yes, it was.
Regu.
Each or you went to chat. Can we just clap for him? That was awesome.
I need to translate this one. I need the what for me.
The way you are speaking is the way you are speaking.
What
does akuku equal?
Chere. Did you see we had good time having fun when those cultural dancers came?
That was celebrity restaurant.
Please, it's okay.
That was celebrity
I was forced to dance.
Honestly, I'm so
I
hungry.
was going for dancing.
Hey,
I was carrying the team.
somebody else like.
They played.
Your back was very
No. Me that was carrying the team. I deserved.
Carrying it or bringing it down with you.
Where's my speech? Where's my speech? I speak.
Carry what? Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu.
Hey.
Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu.
Hey.
Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu. I like that. We'll do it one more time. Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu.
Hey.
Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu.
Hey.
Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu.
Keep your phones. It's not screen time now.
Please, I'm watching you when we go.
The food is coming.
Yes, it's almost ready.
Now you're the one.
Okay, this self-introduction. Let's have some good time with it. Mepeba.
I don't know where you're shooting.
So, we are going to start introducing ourselves. When you want to say, we're starting with our name. You're going to start by saying Cha-cha-cha Ibokwenu. Yeah. And then you say,
What is the page? What is the page?
What is the
Yeah, I'm not seeing what you're saying.
I think
I also skip this one.
So now,
Let's
see. What
is it this page?
Okay,
Hey, passport. Well, finish.
So, Kaibido, self-introduction. Most importantly, IGBO Summer Camp.
What am I supposed to write?
Afaunu means your name. And then, you don't know where you come from. And you're going to see right now, the babies, remember mommy is.
Yes.
All right? So we're going to go this way. We want to introduce ourselves. And every look at that, you're going to call everybody by their names. You're going to call everybody by their what? Why is this table slant, my baby? Why?
Big bags.
No, don't do that. Okay. What kind of a self-introduction, guys? I give you the he will stand up and say, I am one, tell us your name. You say your first name and your last name. Now, if you are not giving what you should give, as in if your face is not giving the face and the vibe it should give.
So what do you want?
If you're not eating,
I guess it.
That's all I get the point.
Yes.
It's my tea.
Oh, dang, I lost points.
And that point moves down to when we're going to swim in the swimming
people
pool.
don't even know how to smile.
So please, what we don't cha 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 and say yeah. Why? Say yeah. Say it again. Want to go? Yeah. You need to go again. If you are from Imo State or Abia, you say aham, hold on chiefs. If you are from Abia or Imo, you say aham, go. If you are from Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, you can say afam.
Yeah, I don't know how
what
to
if you're
yeah, like I'm from Imo State, Kita, I'm from Imo State. I'm going to say aham, right? Or aham, but if you don't Anambra or Enugu, you say, you can say afam.
For Imo.
No. For Imo is aham. The one for Imo is already there. So for the Anambra, you use afam and Enugu, right? Are we good? Yeah. Koroniaka. Hey, don't. Somebody is down.
Somebody is down. So I'm not right now. We're thinking about that.
I didn't even know.
After that,
she just said cha-cha-cha before now. I want to be responsible. Yeah. Koroniaka. Adure. Give me back Frank again. Gini, onya bu gini ka. Onya nke abadure.
I'm not. Oh wait, what is it?
Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha Ibukwenya. Cha-cha-cha Ibukwenya.
Yeah. Bido. Koroniaka. Gini ka. Onya bu gini ka. Chelo no. Onya bu gini ka. Chelo no. Oh.
Cha-cha-cha Ibukwenya.
I apologize.
What do you say?
So onye nke a bụ gịnị ka? Onye nke a bụ Adure. Baby girl, gịnị bụ afa gị ọzọ? Ogochukwu. Ọkwa ya? Ogochukwu gwa. Cha-cha-cha and then afa m bụ. Where are you from? Abia Imo. Aha m bụ. Ngabido. Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha Ibukwenya. Cha-cha-cha Ibukwenya.
Yeah. Take a big girl. Igbo people have confidence.
Yes.
We don't fear when we want to talk.
Exactly.
Don't say shut up. Don't say that. Go. Let me tell you something. Let's go one. I'm going to tell you. It's not true. I'm talking something. Listen, Gente. They use politics to make us say, oh, you are from Abia. Oh, you are from Imo. Have you ever been traveling and you see the boundary between Imo and Abia?
Kind of. No, not Imo and Abia.
Let me tell you something. You just walk past. There was no line there. Ab initio. You just walk past and they tell you, oh, this place now is Abia. You just cross here now. They tell you it's Imo. You go back. This is Abia. I'll tell you, you come in, it's Imo. It's politics. Do you hear me? Can you hear me? It's what? It's politics. Do you know they can just decide again and stay and say Lagos State is no more Lagos State. They will say they have Lagos State and Eko State.
Hey, Eko State.
Eko
It happened.
It does happen. Do you understand me? Ab initio, there was nothing like states. We were just Ndibo. What were we? Ndibo. We were in Port Harcourt area. Hello, baby girl.
Back in our days.
Because you know my baby's face. Bring here for my
back
baby.
in my day. There was no bandage. I was Igbo. Back in my day.
John Mochi.
So back in your day,
Hold on. John, you just see so. Uncle, there's still one in here.
Sarah, stop that.
Back in
Let me
your
attend
day,
to Sarah.
what has done?
Yours is
Wow. They're calling me an uncle right now. I just got it done.
Where is it?
Okay, now.
And I
Give me the lights out.
That's such an unfair.
Hey, yo! Give me the lights out.
Listen to me, Genti. Politics is called Ndorondoro Chichi.
I can't see that
Ndorondoro
one.
Chichi. Everything. Everybody said Ndorondoro Chichi. Ndorondoro Chichi. Ndorondoro Chichi. Abia, Hasi, Ibu Asaba. Ibu Enugu. Ani nebu Ndorondoro Chichi. Ani nebu gini. Asi Ibu Enugu. Asi Ibu Anambra. Ani nebu gini.
Okay, stop whining me.
I need a master. I was going on to the everybody went.
You bought the kitchen. Let me try and get people.
We have head.
I'm a shiny chicken one. I'm like eating something good.
Get something down here now. Some time of time here. I see you go Abia. I see them go Igbo. I need add more Imo. How did they begin? Thank you. I see you go Anambra. I see you go Abia. How did they begin? I see you go Imo. I see you go Asaba. How did they begin? I see you go Enugu. I see you go Abia. How did they begin? You're not giving me the response I'm expecting. How did they begin? How did they begin? How did they begin? When you say Igbo bofu, they're not giving me the vibe. It means Igbo is one. Igbo bofu. Don't speak English here now. Say Igbo bofu. Yes, we just have a little disparities. Just a little. So we are one. Do you understand?
We are not only one, but we are also number one.
She said something now. She said we are not only one, we are number one. I put them. That's
how we roll.
You're not saying it. I ain't put them means you're number one.
I'm number one.
Good.
I'm always on top.
So you're not. You're always
okay.
So I'll be this girl.
Listen to me. All those people in Asaba area.
Okay now.
Listen to me. All those listen, all those people in Asaba area. All the people in Asaba area down to Munede. They speak Igbo language. They are all what? Ndibo. I need a beginning.
Ndibo.
I would Ndibo.
Back in my day, you couldn't catch your mouth water without
Okay? So let us stop saying hey, you are from Asaba. You are Port Harcourt. It's not good. We are all good here. Okay? Alright, so where did you stop saying the name? Cha cha cha. Oh, you are the next. After her.
Let's go.
No, the last thing, you're always on the bottom.
I'm not okay.
On the bottom. Cover you.
No, now.
Don't mind.
I'll
Oh my God, they come
I'll actually cook to them.
Cha cha cha.
Yeah.
It's not fair.
Don't say my own.
Cha cha cha. What's the cha cha cha? No. It's your turn. Say it again.
Yeah.
A farm boy. Say that thing was it. Then you say your name and your last name. Afaya Bugini, Amarachi Ajoka, or the Manorodo. So only come Bugini, Adure, Ogochuku, Onya Bulonia, Chukuda, I give you Amarachi.
I'm so sad.
Yeah. This table is not saying it. You want to swim. I
want to swim.
Say cha-cha again.
Cha-cha go green.
Yeah.
downstairs. I pity for them.
Okay, Apangu, Nitsu. Get it.
No, you have to say your first and your last name.
Oh.
No, don't say Neto. Apangu, Neto, Chuku, and then you say your last name.
Say Chuku.
Yes.
Apangu, Nitsu, Chuku. Okay, Jimmy.
Corona Yaka.
Okay. Good.
You went
Yeah. So I'm the one saying the year for the class. Say it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Corona Yaka.
I'm sweet.
You're not clapping for anybody, and you will come and tell me you want to swim. You want to swim,
You want to swim?
No.
Either your name or they left you.
So
That one came from a band.
yeah. You're not an, are you an Nkpa? Where are you?
Okay.
I'm so tired.
Later, no. Corona Yaka.
I'm so tired.
But I think that you want to
I'm so
Cha-cha-cha, and then you tell us the name of our
tired.
Oh, kidding them, man. Yeah. What's your state?
I'm very
I'm Fambo. Yeah, no, not say. This is not good of you. Talking while your teacher is talking is a form of insult. Okay? I'll give a number. What's your name? Your Igbo name? Yes. They are coloring over there. Which room? Both of you.
Is it the last room?
Yes.
Last room.
Everything are joking in this now. Man, look at my baby's over there. So I still want to get it. Chacha Igbo kwenu? Yeah. Yeah. Chacha Igbo kwenu? Yeah. What's your name again? Okonkwo, right? So Afambo Chukwu goziri m Okonkwo kwuo ya. Afambo. Kọrọnụ ya aka. Cha-cha-cha. Hey! Oh, I I don't like all this. I'm not the one answering this thing. No, didn't want like this now. Say it again. Cha cha cha. Yeah. Chidi who? Chidi Ezibe.
Hey!
Yeah, oh,
Rules and regulations.
Uncle Kezi no better.
I'm giving
Did
them
you hear what he said?
I'm not wasting like 5 points.
Yeah. No.
Someone is introducing himself now, and we are laughing. Oh, gee, say no people.
What's his name? Yeah, like heaven is just not your portion.
Chima. Okay, Koronuyaka.
Yeah.
No, wait. It took 5 years ever sent me to learn English. She said I need to know Mandarin.
Mandarin. No, I told you. Mandarin. I don't know French yet. I started Mandarin.
French is so easy.
I do French.
I'm finally dropping French, guy. I'm French and music.
Bro, what?
Music is.
Can we quickly go back to the self-introduction?
Wait, but like, where the food at though?
No, let me tell you. You don't disobey. Listen, Kenty, you don't disobey here. You don't rebel. If you disobey, I write a letter to your parents and tell them, sorry, you can't continue the IGBO summer camp. So just
That's an option.
Oh!
Yes. Yes. No. When you now go, you now go. Then you clap for yourself that you were told to leave the camp for misbehavior.
Yes.
Please let's go to self-introduction. So after you have your mama. So the next one goes Abumoni Igbo. Can we all look at our hand? Look at your hand. Chibi came. Abumoni Igbo. Now the next line is very important. So you have to put your village. Everybody write down. No, Abia is your state.
No, man.
I know. But what we do our village?
I know my village.
I was born in UK.
I was born.
I know your village.
Honestly, Wacheno, it's Cha-Cha-Cha Ibokwenu.
Yeah.
Cha-Cha-Cha Ibokwenu.
Yeah.
Cha-Cha-Cha Ibokwenu. Now, quickly write down your village. Ohafia, yes.
I've written it.
Yes, also
My mom is busy.
I think it's
My mom is at work.
My mom's at work. She's at work.
By this time,
I won't do this in my camp. I don't tolerate it. Let me tell you, I don't tolerate indiscipline. You must be disciplined.
Come see now. Why is this
Text
discipline?
your mom.
I think that's our contribution. I'm ready to be
let's add one question.
I think that's it. Or for the whole camp.
To be honest, I think we just long jump to the first question.
No, we did it.
Hello?
No, we said it out.
No. The Igbo teacher said she'll kick me out if I don't know my village.
Wow. Chris.
She said I have to tell her my village, otherwise I'm gone. Oh, you don't know?
Somebody call
I wouldn't say we are proud, but then there's this pride. Yes, we call it Nkpa. You understand?
So they humble.
Yes, exactly. Do you know why we are proud of ourselves? Because number one, we are resilient.
Always do the right thing.
We are smart. We are super intelligent. And above all, listen up. I'm talking. Don't talk, please. Yeah. Listen up. And above all, we are always outstanding wherever we find ourselves. Both in academics, in all of education. Excuse me, if you are not academically, you have to go and buckle up. Let me give you, excuse me, listen to me. As an Igbo brought up, listen to me, I'm talking, let to keep quiet. As an Igbo brought up, if you're not doing well academically, then there's a problem somewhere. Yes, there's a problem somewhere. When we return back to our room, I'm going to show you my results this night. Yes, I'm going to show you.
I thought you were a teacher, not a student.
My result I'm going to show you is that I'm going to show you my degree results. I made a first class in the university.
No, back in my day, I had bachelor's degree.
Keep quiet. Do you hear me? Do you understand? And even when I enrolled for my master's degree, I still made a distinction again.
Master's in what?
You understand? In education. Yes. In education. And currently I'm running my PhD program. Very soon now, you'll not even address me as Mr. OKC again.
Professor.
Exactly. That's the title. So what am I trying to tell you all this? I'm trying to stir up your spirit. If you are an Igbo guy or an Igbo girl and you are not outstanding in academics, then you are wrong.
Wait, sir, boy.
So you are wrong.
You are wrong. Take it or leave it. Go and buckle up. So let's drop it there. Let's drop it there.
Professor, that means that you're an onk now. You actually have onk titles.
No, it's becoming wrong.
I have certain people that get F.
You should.
We'll come back to that. Don't worry. Listen up. They've not actually activated the right key.
Are you playing piano?
Oh my goodness. What do I think of that?
All right, let's go. The next one is I'm born Igbo. I am Igbo. Okay? Abum Onye, your village. So have you written that down?
Yes.
I don't know my local government.
Okay.
So you have to write it down in village. I think you should.
Abum Onye, have you written that? Let me see you write that.
So you have to write it in
I have no idea what the local government is. If they are
So you have to write it in village.
Please, I need to see your notes after this class. I need to see your notes. And I'm being honest with you.
So
Okay?
experiencing some technical difficulties.
So my people said,
Is it filled up?
I got like most.
Ahambo, let me see.
Oh, I missed that one.
You see?
I wrote the village.
That's it. I missed that. I'm from C6, we got down to D7. I missed that.
Wow.
I've always said it that it's just a tiny line between C6 and D7. They will ask you to come and repeat YF again the next day.
Hey, imagine.
Like you.
I know what I'm telling you. I missed that, and that's it. You have to be intentional and you have to be detailed enough.
I don't know.
So everything we are doing in this IGBO summer camp, let's don't take it for granted. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
As you're all behaving here, it also translates how you behave in your various schools. Yes, exactly. The way you are behaving here, it translates to me how you behave in your various schools. Lokburu or Chichi, put your local governments.
From my pen posted.
What does local government?
A pen?
Yes.
You don't have a pen. Where is the pen?
No, wait,
No.
don't do that.
No. You should take responsibility.
What?
Can you post it? Where is the pen? Can you
Where is
post
your pen?
Where's
your pen?
I posted.
I don't know.
How did you
local
post?
government.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
So don't post it by yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
I got up.
At the end of this class, I'm going to assess all your books, all your notes. Do you understand? Good. So I don't know how you want to write it. Get a pen and write. Lokburu or Chichi, put in your local government. How many of you know your local government? Okay, put it down.
What is a local government?
What do you mean by what's a local? At your age, you don't know what a local
asking that question in May 2020.
Okay, hold on. Let me
My bad.
hold on.
Hold on. Let's give her the call. While she makes the call, let's go to the next one. Nime Siteti. What's your state? Put in your state now. Put in your state now. Are you writing? Sit and write. Novodo, Nigeria.
I'm born in Nigeria State. No.
Listen to the next one. Ibu Nembo, your maternal village. Where's your mommy's village? Write your mommy's village.
Anambra.
There, put it there.
Your village is Anambra.
Your mom's village. Where's she from?
You don't know. Hey, I don't know village.
Oh.
Honestly,
Can you
she doesn't
imagine?
even talk about her father's village.
It's
She talks
okay.
about her father's village.
It's okay. It is
No,
okay.
her mother's village.
It's okay. Stand up. Stand up. Come and sit here.
No.
No. You don't do that in my school. If you do it, you leave this place. I don't take nonsense.
What did he do?
The teacher is talking to you saying, now, wow, don't do that. And let me tell you, all the parents are watching. So when I send a letter to your parents, they won't be surprised. I promise you they are watching. We send them, we are live. We are live. We are live on the internet. Your parents are watching. So if I write a letter to your parents, they understand why I wrote a letter. So be careful. I promise you, your parents are watching. I promise you, we are live. Ofuchuga, are we live, yes or no? We are live on Facebook, we are live where again? On YouTube. Your parents are watching. If you think I'm lying, I'm going to show you the link right now. Look at it. Look at it. The parents, listen. Look at it. Your parents are watching.
That's cool.
I know, I watched last day.
Same, I watched
That was from my Skena village.
Yes, where your mom comes from. Where's mommy from? Okay, you don't know?
You only know the state.
You only know the state.
No, Antioke, I want you to say this again. Antioke, can you say what you just said now? Say it again.
I'm too.
That you wanted to come. Say it again. I said your parents are watching you. You see now? His mom. Your parents are watching you and I'm your mom too is watching.
That's all.
That's wrong.
So,
Who's Asuka?
Alright, it's okay. It's okay.
uh-oh.
It's okay.
No, mommy. Your mommy wants to talk. She's been watching you online. I told you people think I'm joking.
Oh, geez, Rob.
That's the game. It's all.
I told you,
Maybe the
I
next
just
one I'll call you
said that
your
she
mom
called.
or your dad.
All your parents are watching you. So if I send a letter to anybody, they are not surprised because they are watching. We are live. So if I tell them, sorry, we can't have this child in this camp, they will understand why. Because I don't need to talk. That's why we are live. You know, I'm a stranger. So they just saw us on the internet and want you to come. So we have to be live. So every time they click, they see their children to be sure that they are safe. And the mom is saying I'm disappointed he's misbehaving in class. And I'm sure your mom is watching too. Your mom, everybody's mom is watching.
Wait, why do we keep pointing at me? Like,
yes, because you're making, not just you. I just pointed him up. You're making noise.
okay.
She's not
Mommy, what's your village?
They don't know their parents are watching.
Okay, I'm going to choose my own village. I probably
Don't call her yourself.
Okay. We are going to, you know what is going to happen now? People Nembo Dash, that's your maternal village. If you don't know your maternal village, I believe you know the state where your mom comes from.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, just put the state in brackets. When you get back home, ask her, what's the name of her village? Don't occupy the whole space, putting your mom's village state there. Give a space where you have to put in.
Same.
I know.
No, Uru or Chichi, what's the local government where your mom comes from? If you don't know that, just keep it.
You send them a message this night and tell them to send all these things to you.
Did you get that?
Send a message to your parents when you have your phone or when you have your screen time. Okay?
So put in the states. Nimes state. Yes, put in the states now. Obodo, Nigeria. Then the last paragraph we have Abom Nwa dash. If you are a male, you put Moke. If you are female, you put one.
Chidi, are you writing?
I've already written it.
Adam Afo dash. How old are you? Adam Afo dash.
Iri no two.
Iri na Otu.
There's no space for my age.
Iri na bo.
Write it by the side. By the side.
There's no
Ensure you are not writing it in English. In Igbo.
Just write it.
Yeah, do it.
There's no number. There's no number.
There's some numbers here.
Iri. Where's numbers?
Alright, so Adam Afo dash. You put in your age. Have you done that? Have you done that?
Oh, yes, it's right here. Where? It's behind the lesson class. What?
You have to open the manual before you remember to say that. I'm not going to attend to any request again until we are done with this class.
You guys don't hear.
Okay?
This is the work we do now.
Yeah, how when did you start?
Not so. Because we use the whole time to talk and make noise, so we are going to extend the class.
I got to it now.
Alright, let's start afresh again. Can we start afresh? Can you let see? I make our class. After the class, you go and ease yourself. Let's start afresh again. Self-introduction guide. Afambo, can I hear you say your name? Afambo, Dede, Okezie. Am I the only one talking? Mention your name. Want to go? Afambo. Abum Onyibo. Abum Onye. Mention your village. N'okpuru ọchịchị. N'ime. Mention the state. N'obodo. Nigeria. Ikwu nne m bụ. N'okpuru ọchịchị. Mention the local government. N'ime, which state? N'obodo, Nigeria. Abụ m nwa nwanyị. Nwoke, nwanyị. Nwoke means male, nwanyị means what? Female. Adam Afo. Adam Afo. All right, okay. The assignment you have on this particular web today, for those of you who don't know your maternal village, the local government where mom comes from, place a call to them this night or send them a text to send you to fill out this information for you, okay? The maternal village, their local government and their states. Do you understand? And if you don't know the name of your village, please do that. Let's finish our wants and feelings that we started before Nyemazi came up with the self-introduction. Are we there? Okay. I can't even find it again here.
It's here.
Okay.
Found it.
Stop.
Going too far, sure.
When are we done?
Okay, I have a blank space. Come. Okay, you can give me his
That's so. He's watching.
Okay, thank you very much. Alright, so already we know I feel pressed is mammy. I feel like pooing. Am I the only one? I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm feeling cold. I'm purging. I'm feeling sleepy. I feel tired. All right, the next one we are going to is want. I want to drink water. Achọrọ ịṅụ mmiri. I want to eat. Achọrọ iri nri. I want to wash my hands. Achọrọ ịkwọ aka m. Okay? Achọrọ ịkwọ aka m. I want to use the toilets. Achọrọ ịga ụlọ mposi. Are you hearing that? I want to use the toilets. Excuse me, listen up. I want to use the toilets. Achọrọ ịga ụlọ mposi. Please give me water. Biko nye m mmiri. Please give me water. Biko nye m mmiri. I want to dance. Achọrọ m ịgba egwu. Can I hear you? I want to dance. I want to brush my teeth. Achọrọ m ịsa eze or achọrọ m ịta atụ. Can we take it again? I want to brush my teeth. Or achọrọ m ịta. So whichever one you choose to say, they are all correct. I want to sleep. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Yes. Achọrọ m ihi ụra. Can you see the first one? I'm feeling sleepy. Ụra na-atụ m. I want to sleep. Achọrọ m ịrahụ ụra. I want to rest small. I want to rest small. Achọrọ m izu ike obere. I want to rest small. I want to write something. Achọrọ m ide ihe. Good. I want to speak with my mom and dad on the phone. Achọrọ m ikwuru nne m or nna n'ekwentị. So phone means what? Ekwentị. If I want to say I want my phone, achọrọ m ekwentị m. Okay? I want to call John, my brother. Achọrọ m ikwuru John, nwanne m. Okay? Do you understand? N'ekwentị. Ekwentị means what? Your phone. Ekwentị means what? Your phone. Ekwentị means what? Your phone. So let's take the last one. I want to speak with my mom, dad on the phone. Achọrọ m ikwuru nne m. So nne means what? My mother or my mom. Nna means what? My father. Okay? Achọrọ m ikwuru nne m na nna m n'ekwentị. Okay, so let's quickly rush down from feelings to want. Are we good to go? Yes. Are we good to go? Una di njikere? I di njikere. Una di njikere? Ngwa ka anyị bido. I feel pressed. Mamiri na akpa m. I feel like pooing. Nsi na akpa m. I'm thirsty. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. I'm hungry. I'm feeling cold. I am purging. I'm feeling sleepy. I feel tired. I want to drink water. I want to eat food. I want to wash my hands. I want to use the toilets. Please give me water. I want to dance. I want to dance. I want to brush my teeth. Or let's take it again. I want to brush my teeth. Or I want to sleep. Again, I want to sleep. I want to rest small. Again, I want to write something. I want to write something. I want to speak with my mom and my dad on the phone. Ọzọkwa, say it again. Achọrọ m ikwuru nne m, nna m n'ekwentị. Aka m esi unu kọọrọ unu n'aka mana unu kpasuru m iwe. I would have said you should clap for yourself, but you already got me pissed in this course of this lesson. But
because if you are there, they okay, say big way, apologize. Say there, okay, can you say it again? Now, I will do better, or we will do better. Say, I need get more for my.
So for giving you, and because of that, for every one of you who have attended this class, I'm giving all of you 5 points.
What do you mean attended? Who did not attend?
Yes, some persons did not attend. Yes, so I'm giving everybody 5 across board for this class. Yes. So clap for yourselves now. Excuse me, listen up. The class has not dismissed.
Oh.
The class has not
The
dismissed.
bells don't dismiss you.
Get seated. Get seated.
Remain seated. Don't get up. Don't just
Sit.
get up. Just remain seated. All you need to do, take your file, put it under the table.
Only
Get the file, look.
pretty much ended.
You must have to respect yourself, each and every one of you. Okay? That was why we started by outlining the camp rules for you. And as far as this camp rules is concerned, nobody's above the rule. I say it and I say it again. As the camp coordinator, nobody is above the rule. If you are above the rule, I'll just inform Unyemas, they write to your parents, first thing tomorrow morning they come to pick you up. We did that in the batch A. Once we are seeing that your trouble is getting too much, you are not complying, you are not listening to instructions, we'll inform your parents immediately and they come to take you up so that we can have our peace. Your camp staff are all nice personnel and they are ready to attend to you. But on the other hand, you must also behave yourself. I've said it initially, the way you behave in this camp is a replica of what you do in your schools. Okay? It's also a replica of how you behave at home. Yes. Do you get that?
At home.
Even at home, yes.
At home is a
And that's why the
different
saying
story.
goes that charity begins where?
At home is a different story.
Okay, at home is a different story. You jump up and jump down at home.
Yes.
Mommy talks and you talk back at her. Is that the trend at home? If that's the trend, it's a wrong trend. If that is the trend you do at home, it's a wrong trend, I tell you today.
And I'm not.
Okay? Good.
What's wrong with jumping up and down?
Jumping up and down, I mean,
Honestly,
it means you are disorganized. Yes. That's what I mean by it's not literally you are jumping up and down. Okay? So you have to be well behaved, okay? You understand? And I say it again. If you see your trouble is getting too much, you are not listening to instruction, you are not obeying instruction, we'll just honorably write to your parents to come and pick you up tomorrow morning. I will have a peace in this camp. Okay? But however, we have beautiful and nice packages for you all. Okay? We're going to have a grand finale. Okay? There's a spelling bee competition coming up. Batch A, those of them in batch A are ready. You saw it, Abi? Beautiful. Those people who attended the batch A, they started preparing for this spelling bee competition. It's actually a very big competition. You see different companies, they'll come up that day to give awards.
That was the prize.
Don't tell me, I don't know. It's the company that will come with the price.
Wait, like money.
I don't know if it's money. Don't make me say anything I'm not sure of. Okay? If they come with money, fine. If they come with truck, if they come with medal, if they come with
I have a
everything.
question. So batch A got 3 weeks to practice the spelling bee. And batch B got 5 to 6 days.
Actually, it was when they were actually in the camp they started practicing spelling bee. So tonight, don't sleep. Start practicing for the spelling bee.
Don't sleep on the house all the 5:45.
All right, thank you very much.
Try to walk in here.
I think you are going to stay here and take your dinner, okay? Then we'll go to freshen up, okay? Eat as much as your stomach can carry you, but don't overfeed yourself.
Wait,
Please, ensure you write your name on all your materials.
are we done for today?
I'm going to tell you if you are done for today. Okay, I'll just finish.
I honestly have a headache, let me not lie.
I want to know who is going to go home now. Let me see.
Don't look at your manual. At this level, you don't still have to say it. Kind of, go and face the wall and stand in it. When you learn it, you come back again.